Right behind me is a 12 by 32 elite garden shed that I am so excited to show you. Welcome to the video. I think it's safe to say for all of us, women and men, that we all dream of a place that's ours, of a space that's safe, that we can dream, build, create, and just spend hours, no matter what the weather, no matter what the season, that we can just spend hours working in that place. I think this is the perfect project to talk about that. I call this the workshop. You know, some of our clients will use it for storage. It will be hard for me to store things. I will want a desk right over here, or maybe here, I don't know, and maybe a painting station for my wife, or even a pottery station. I don't do pottery, but that's the things that this kind of building makes you think about. You got 4 transom windows on the top. You got transom windows on the double doors on this side. You got this beautiful 3x3 windows on this side, as well on 2 more on each side of the door. You get the radiant barrier on the roof, which I'm telling you is not too hot in Texas yet. It's been like around 80, 81, something like that. I've gone into the buildings to take some photos, videos. Some other buildings that don't have the barrier, and even at 80, I already feel warm and okay, I better take these photos fast and get out of here. But I come into this one, it's like a very nice place to be. Now, showing you around this building, you will notice the board and batten pattern siding, which I love. I've talked about it in different videos, and you can see other buildings with this type of pattern. It just makes it really beautiful. It brings out that modern farm style. But I just think this is a no-brainer to have a pegboard to organize your tools, anything that you're working with. You know, it's your workshop. You do whatever you want with it. And you have a workbench. This one is available to be shipped. You can go to our website, find it on the inventory. The serial number is gonna be in the description. If you need help building something like this, but different colors, don't hesitate to call us. Our guys at the office, they will love to, 1, give you some tips specific to your property and to what you want to do, and 2, they can walk you through it and they can order it for you, hassle-free, super easy to do. They will guide you every step of the way. But you can also design it on our 3D builder. It's free. You just hop on our website, fill out the form, and you have access to the 3D builder. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you want to know anything else about this building. Any questions you may have, you can drop them in the comments too. Smash that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.